I'm moving in a big 2-story house. And guess what's not coming with me? Weak Wi-Fi. This is the MX12, the Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that actually keeps up. Dual band Wi-Fi 6 speeds up nearly 3000 megabytes per second and coverage up to 7000 square feet. Yes, please. And it's powered by 1.7 GHz quad-core processor. That means faster, smoother, and zero buffering. It comes with everything you need, and setup is literally 5 minutes. Right now, I'm streaming 4K, uploading content, also answering emails. My Zoom is turned on. Actually, all at once. No lag, no drama. And if you want to know about the signal, this living room is full bars. At the kitchen, perfect connection. At the bedroom, also. Even in the balcony, and my parking also covering. Because old router with extender, it's not reliable. And this MX12 seamless roaming. Compared to my old router with extension, this mesh system is night and day, no more dead zones. You can manage everything from Tenda Wi-Fi app, setup, device monitoring, even parental control. Want to separate your 2.4 and 5G bands? You can. One button and it's done. And it supports up to 160 devices, just imagine. So invite whole crew over. Your Wi-Fi wouldn't even flinch. This is how Wi-Fi should be: fast, smooth, everywhere. Buy, try and like.